Hi, my name is Zhezhen Wang, and this is my assignment two. So this assignment is try to use the data set to solve the Netflix problem we discussed in assignment one. Let me reintroduce the background information. So Netflix is facing a major business challenge related to customer retention and subscriber growth. After the company experienced slowing growth and the subscriber loss, management need to better understand what factors may contribute to customer dissatisfaction. So one possible factor is the mobile map experience because many customers interact with Netflix mainly through the app. If user experience problems such as slow loading, crashes, login issues, payment problems, or poor usability, they may become frustrated and could be more likely to cancel their subscribe. Therefore, the business problem I'm addressing is how Netflix can use mobile map to review data, to identify customer dissatisfaction and support product improvements that may reduce the customer losing. So first, I translated this business problem into a clear data-driven analytical problem by using the Netflix mobile map app reviews as the main resources of customer feedback. The objective is to analyze um, review text and ratings to understand the customer feedback, identify common dissatisfaction themes, and build a predictive model that can classify reviews as negative, neutral, or positive. In this project, the target variable is customer sentiment, which I created from the review rating rated of 1 or 2. Are labeled as negative. A rating of 3 is labeled as neutral, and the rating of 4 or 5 are labeled as positive. This turns the business questions to our machine learning classification task. Uh, the data set used in this analysis is the Netflix mobile map review sample from Hugging Face. It includes user-generated review information such as review ID, platform, app ID, rating, review content, language, creation date, and title. This dataset is useful because it contains real customer opinions about the Netflix app, not just the structured business metrics. Its main strength is that it provides direct voice of the customer feedback, which help identify app related to pain points. However, the dataset also has limitations. It is only a sample of reviews, so it may not represent all the users, and the reviews can be biased because people are with very positive or negative experience may be more likely to post, so the neutral one will be minimized. In addition, to review text, there's some noise, informal or incomplete um, reviews. So these are the main noise of the data set. So um, back to the model, I first uh, do the loading stuff and the set of the code. Then I check the data set uh, and do the data cleaning before building the model. For data cleaning and the text pre-processing, I first select the most relevant columns, including rating, content, language, platform, and created data. I removed missing review text and duplicate reviews. Keep English language reviews and convert the created data into a date-time format for the time-based analysis. I also create new features such as review length and word count. For the text data, I clean the review content by converting text to lower cases, review URLs, numbers, uh, punctuations, and extra spaces. These pre-processing steps are important because machine learning models need consistent and clean text input. After the data cleaning, and I set the target variable segment. And the text cleaning. Okay. Okay. So after the data cleaning, we move to the exponentially NLP analysis. Um, this revealed that several important patterns, the rate and the sentiment distribution, show how many reviews are negative, neutral, or positive. The negative reviews are especially important because they are represent potential customer dissatisfaction. The analysis of review length shows whether dissatisfied users tend to write longer or more detailed explanations. I also examine common words in negative reviews to identify frequent complaint themes. Based on the review text, common dissatisfaction drives include loading problems, app crashes, loading or account issues, payment problems, and video payback issues. These themes suggest that technical reliability and usability are important part of the customer experience. These are the patterns that shows uh, the the frequency of the words in different reviews. And then we prepare to build a model uh, with the data. To construct the features from the text data, I use TF-IDF vectorization. Um, this converts reviews text into numerical features by meaning how important words or phrase are within the review collection. I use both single words and two words phrases, also called unigrams and bigrams. And remove the common English stop words. This allows the machine learning model to learn meaningful patterns from the review content. For example, phrases related to not working, keep crashing, payment problems, something like that, may help the model identify negative sentiment. For predicting model, I build a classification model to predict customers' sentiment from a review text. The main model I used was logistic regression with TF-IDF features. I also compared it with the random forest classifier. The data set was split to training and test data with 80% use of training and 20% for testing. The model performance was evaluated using accuracy, uh, precision, recall, F1 score, and confusion matrix. The logistic regression model is especially useful because it is relevantly simple, fast, and understandable. It can show which words are most strongly associated with negative, neutral, or positive sentiment. Based on the model result, the predictive model can classify review segments reasonably well and can be used as an automate monitor tool. This means Netflix would not need to mutually read thousands of reviews they received. Instead, the company could automatically flag negative reviews, track segment trends over time, and identify urgent app issues more quickly. The model result also help show which types of language are connected to dissatisfaction, make its analysis more actionable for product teams. Uh, so for in conclusion, the key business insight is that mobile app problems can become customer experience problem, and customer experience problems can contribute to the subscriber loss. If negative reviews frequently mention loading issues, crashings, logging problems, or payment problems, Netflix should prioritize these areas of improvement. My recommendation is that Netflix use the NLP-based review monitoring as an early warning system for customer dissatisfaction. Product team should focus first on the most common technical complaints, improve app stability and payment reliability, and continue tracking sentiment after app updates. By combining customer reviews analysis with machine learning, LeftNext can make more data-driven decisions that improve the mobile map experience and support longer-term customer retention. Thank you.